This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Jessica Richard. Behind the overgrown brush and poison ivy is a hidden gem waiting to be restored. The custom window coverage in the dining room is complimentary from the City Code's enforcement. Refrigerator and all appliances stay. I recommend not opening them. It has been 5 years since the last footsteps echoed the walls except for the thieves that broke in and stole the washing machine and ransacked the home. Fully furnished with debris left behind, including a vintage waterbed that amazingly still holds water. Original hardwood floors are under the carpet. Cub removed the meter 3 years ago, so no water or power will be available for inspection. So bring a flashlight for your showing. Home being sold as is, no repairs. For more information, review the details below or contact Jessica Richard at 865-687-1111.